It's Bro Knows Photos. No, it's not. Big shout out to Fro Knows Photos, one of my favorite channels. But today we're here to talk about 2020 predictions for Nikon. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? My name is Ty Turner, and if this is your first time on our channel, it's simply a channel to help you turn your hobby into your hustle. We teach you the business side of this industry. Go somewhere else to learn how to take better pictures. I'm just here to show you how to make more money. All right, we're going to get into the 2020 predictions for the brand of Nikon itself. And my first prediction is that they either get bought out or merge with another company. They are struggling a little bit on the camera side of things, and Nikon only really have their camera lineup. Unlike Canon that has cinema, they have printers, they have other things where they can make money with. Nikon don't have a lot. So I see them either being purchased or maybe having a partnership or a merger with another company. Now that's a bold statement, but when you get into my next prediction, there's a company that comes to mind that may help. My next prediction is that they give it another jab in the action camera market. Now, there is a lot of money to be made, and if you've been watching Insta360, they've proven that GoPro is not the top brand anymore. I mean, look what DJI did. However, what if Nikon and GoPro came together? Nikon and GoPro are both in the same situation where they're focusing on creating their own sensors, a lot of their own technology. That would possibly be a slim chance of it happening, but on the outside looking in, just a brief look, I can see how it works. My last prediction for Nikon is that they do something radical. They do something completely different. I wouldn't be surprised if you start seeing mirrorless cameras from Nikon that maybe run on Android, or they do something that is completely left in the camera market. They have a lot to lose right now because they're kind of behind. They're not making a ton of money. They're not where they want it to be. So I see them doing something radical. I see them focusing a lot on their sensor technology, just getting away from the stigma of being a Sony censored camera. Maybe they launch some 75 megapixel or higher camera bodies. Maybe they do something different, but I see this year as a year that Nikon gets radically different to try to separate itself in the mirrorless market, because if they don't, they're dead. And it's just not the thing to do. I think they will probably partner up with somebody, if not completely be purchased by somebody. Imagine if an Apple purchased Nikon. Imagine if Red and Nikon merge. Imagine if a company that's doing well like DJI decides to purchase Nikon. What would that do for Nikon? A lot. So just keep that in mind as we move forward in 2020. It will not happen in 2020 because mergers take time. However, you start hearing talking, they can talk about it in 2020. It takes about a year or two for a merger to completely happen. But I think if something happens, if they don't have great camera sales throughout the first 2 quarters, I wouldn't be surprised if by quarter 3, we start hearing talks about a merger. All right, guys, if you learned anything from this video, make sure you click that thumbs up. And if you're about turning your hobby into your hustle, make sure you go to flashfilmacademy.com. We offer free courses on, turning your passion into profit. And I will see you guys in the next video.